Hello, hi. Welcome to Adobe Illustrator Master Class, Adobe Illustrator Complete Mega Course, Beginner to Advanced. Chapter 6, Shape Builder Tool. In this tool, we can merge a object, extract a object, and create a new object with using two multiple objects. And in the last of this video or this chapter, I will also explain you the scissor tool and eraser tool. Okay, just go to your Illustrator. We want multiple objects, so we have to draw multiple objects. I want to draw one rectangle. Okay, and I have to select to a point and just like and shift alt and select tool. I want to paste over here and Control D to repeat the object. Okay, and I want to also one rectangle for a small rectangle like that. Okay, so each and every object we have to rearrange like horizontal alignment center. Okay, now if you want to use shape builder, you have to select multiple object. Without select the object, you can't use this shape builder tool. Just like there is a one cross sign is displaying. If you select multiple object, you can click this shape builder, and shape builder you can remove the inside line. Okay, just like that. Press the alt key and release the mouse key, just like that. Remove everything. Okay, so we have to create one object from multiple objects. Now I want to show you multiple object we can merge over here. We have merging multiple object to create a new object, one single object. Now I want to create a multiple object to create a new object. Okay, like that. Okay, now I want to erase, just like. Okay, just a minute. Now I want to remove this create new object, like this object I want from two objects. Just select both the rectangle and go to shape builder and click one and go to here, and like that you can get a one new object. From multiple object you can create a new object, and here I have to merge some multiple object to create a new object, and here I have used multiple object to create new object. Okay, and next one I will explain you eraser tool. Eraser tool, just like you can know the erase something. I want to erase this line. Okay, but not delete, not erasing, because I didn't select this object. First select object and go to eraser, click here, and now you can erase something. I want to erase something. Okay, and the second one is scissor. You know the name of this tools is scissor, means cut the object from particular point. Okay, just select this object, go to scissor. I want to cut this from this point to this point. Okay, you can see here is the black. Okay, now you can erase this, simply delete it like that. Okay, I want to erase this object from this point to, but we have to select first. Erase this point to this point. Okay, now you can zoom in and see this 2 point is erases. Just select point and delete it like that. Just a minute. This point I have deleted by using the eraser tool. Okay, I want to erase this outer circle. Just go to there, select object first, select scissor. I want to delete from here to here. Okay, just change the color, black, select, remove this point. That's all. Okay, so you can make some object by using the shape builder also. By multiple object, you can make one new object or merge some object to create a new object also. Okay, so shape builder tool is very important if you want to design something attractive. So this tool is very important like that. You can select one circle, one another polygon. You can put over here. I want to delete this area. Just select this, go to shape builder and just erase this point to this point. I want to delete. Just a minute. This 2 point. This 2 point I want to delete. Okay, so you will see the, just a minute. I want to remove this point to this point. Just select both the object, go to shape builder tool and here to there. Okay, here also I want to delete. So new object will be displaying here. So this is the shape. Okay, so shape builder tool is very important to create something new object, some shape. Okay, so thank you.